Okay, Colton. So we've got some pretty good choices here and some good images, definitely. So a couple of things that we want to consider here, and I want you to think about this. Okay, so all four of your images, well, actually, these two are pretty close, but this one is showing a, well, yeah, these should all be cropped. Okay, and let me explain this to you. So in your final stamp series, you want each one to be very, very harmonious and very consistent. So the distance from the focal point, it should be consistent in each, which means you may have to crop these accordingly, right? So watch my cursor, something like that for him. This one for watch my cursor again. This one for Bill Murray. And then Cranston seems like he's already cropped to fit, so that's great. Um, and then, so this image might not work. And the reason I say this is because you got that mic that's obstructing a good portion of the bottom of his face. So that might not work. So think about that. Unless you can, well, I don't know. It might not be recognizable if we crop this to the same size as the others. As you watch my cursor right down here, that might not be recognizable as a mic. So you might consider finding a different version of Rogan. And then is Rogan, I gotta check something out here. I just want to make sure Joe Rogan is indeed American. I think American comedian. Yep. Okay. Good. 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 So that's American. American. She is not American. Self-admitted or self-described as, or as you described as a Canadian DJ. So she's not American. Plus, she's not an iconic entertainer, right? Remember, this is called iconic American entertainers. Rogan, I would say he's iconic. Definitely Bill Murray is iconic, and definitely Cranston is iconic. But this is a relatively unknown person. So and plus, we don't want, this is a portrait, so we want to have a good shot of their face, and they should be recognizable. Okay, so we'll replace that one. But the rest, I think, are good. So think about your crop, and also, to a high degree, the success of this assignment is going to depend on your depiction of light, highlight, and shadow. And that's very, very much, very finessed in the avatar style. Go through the course resources and really take a look at all of those videos. A lot of them are just kind of time-lapse videos of the designers working on the process. So it's not like a verbal tutorial, but that's okay. You'll pick it up. I guarantee it. It's really amazing how good you get at doing avatars. So think about that and watch those. And then I also recommend going back over to week 3 in the week 3 course announcement and studying all of those resources therein regarding depicting shadow and highlight in your digital illustrations. Okay, so all we need is to replace this individual with an iconic American entertainer, and we're good to go. All right, great. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you very much.